Struggling to start writing because your mind keeps overanalyzing every word? This video on how to start writing without overthinking is here to help you break free from that cycle and finally take action. Overthinking is one of the biggest obstacles writers face. It creates self-doubt, slows down creativity, and makes even the simplest ideas feel complicated. Many people wait for the perfect moment or the perfect sentence, but that moment rarely comes. Instead of making progress, they stay stuck in their thoughts. This video shifts your mindset by showing that writing doesn't need to be perfect to be powerful. It just needs to begin. You'll learn simple yet effective techniques to get started, such as free writing without judgment, setting short time limits to boost focus, and separating the writing phase from the editing phase. These small changes can make a huge difference in how you approach writing. The goal is to help you build momentum, because once you start, ideas begin to flow naturally. You'll also understand how to silence your inner critic and replace pressure with curiosity, allowing your creativity to grow without fear. In the middle of this journey, you'll discover how Domino Effect Writing System can support your writing process by giving you a structured and distraction-free way to organize your thoughts. It acts as a helpful companion that keeps you focused and consistent, especially during moments when overthinking tries to take over. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, you'll have a system that encourages clarity and action. This video is not just about writing, it's about building confidence in your ability to express yourself. Whether you're a beginner who doesn't know where to start or someone who has been stuck for a long time, these insights will help you move forward. By the end, you'll realize that progress comes from taking small, imperfect steps, not waiting for perfection. Writing becomes easier when you stop overthinking and start trusting your ideas. Just begin, keep going, and watch how your words come to life naturally.